Hello there, welcome to the channel again. So today we are going to unbox one special thing that I've been thinking to buy from a long time, which is, you are probably hearing that noise, right? I bought this one Video Micro, which is Rode company ka microphone. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So this is called a dead cap. Pretty creepy name, but a lot of use. Is I think the mount where this goes on. So let's try that. So this is me testing the mic for the first time. Let me know if you see any difference. अच्छा है? Good or bad? Comment down below. If you say any kind of difference. अभी फ़िलहाल 12 बज चुके हैं. मेरे नहीं, मतलब घड़ी में ऑफ कोर्स. तो कल बात करते हैं. हे गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. शाम को 6 बजे मेरी फ़्लाइट है टू दिल्ली and I'm going to this awesome place called Kasol again. Let's start packing. This is a trekking bag which is 65 liters ka, which my mom uses because my trekking bag which I use is at my hometown, so she sent me this. This is a very lightweight and very good bag to carry around. So one of my friend Harsh is meeting me at Kasol, most probably. He's at Nepal, by the way. So he has given me his saman, his ice axes, his dry fruits and neck pillows, and a sleeping bag, which is pretty great. I have to carry all this in another bag. I'm not gonna carry this because I don't want to take any kind of risk. Right now I have two power banks, Amica 20,000 mAh. Very important thing when you are going for the treks. Power bank. So the next thing that you should be having is a medical kit, which is very important. My both parents are doctors, so pretty much everything is sorted for me. So the next important thing is your health. So to hydrate myself on the day of the trek, I have electrolyte powders, sachets, like 5 to 6 of them. Then I have wipe tissues for to wipe my face. Then I have this powder which I won't be using mostly because I don't like any kind of thing on my face. I have body lotion, and this is very important for the treks. Then I have this sunscreen which is very important, very very important. नहीं तो वापस आने के बाद घर वाले बोलेंगे कि ये कौन आया, हमारा बच्चा नहीं है ये. That literally happens. And next thing is sanitizer. So the next important thing is tissues, टट्टी करने के लिए. So हिमालय में कैसा होता है कि the weather is pretty chill and pleasant, so the digestive system of yours gets amazing and टट्टी मस्त होती है एकदम. That's the rawest situation I can tell you guys, because I love Himachal just because of this one thing. Digestive system अच्छी होती है. I know it is summer here, but बारिश होती है उधर. So I have got this poncho and अपना बैग का cover to safety from the rain, and this the thing that goes on to your head. I think it is called as bandana. Full swag, man. Oh, and the most important thing, torch. Awesome. This is strong. This is very strong source of light, which can be pretty useful and save your life on the treks. So yeah. Now when the clothing is concerned, I have these woolen clothes. The most important part of the snowy trek is thermal shirt and pant, both. One sweatshirt, one proper sweater, 2 sweaters and 1 sweatshirt for the safety. Track pant, I have 3 of these, snow wale gloves and woolen gloves. Then I have this cap, mask, whatever you can say. Full डाकू लग रहा हूँ ना. And then the most important part, to cover your feet woolen socks 2 pairs, 2 or 3 pairs, and normal socks ke itne pairs, because hygiene is the most important part. So I have got 3 of these dry fit shirts which dry out pretty easily in like an hour or so, and these are the pants which I got 3 of them. Then boxers, jeans, and your t-shirts or shirts, I have 5 pairs of those. And then the most important part, your sunglasses, because तो स्नो ट्रैक्स होता है ना, तो कैसे होता है कि सन होता है ना बहुत हार्श होता है, एंड वो रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ ना अपने आँखों पे, माइट गेट ब्लाइंडनेस, या इट इज़ प्रेटी सीरियस इशू. सो सनग्लासेस आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. हो गया क्या बैग पैक करके? मिलते हैं फिर 4 बजे. सो फॉर द क्लोथ्स मैं क्या करता हूँ कि एक प्लास्टिक बैग लेता हूँ एंड अ पेयर ऑफ व्हाट आई एम गोना यूज ऑन वन डे in each of the plastic bags, so that it will be easy for me to identify which plastic bag is used when, and it will be easy for me to arrange stuff after packing my bags. प्लास्टिक बैग बारिश से बचाव करने के लिए, ऐसे नहीं कि पोल्यूशन करने के लिए. I'm tired. So the packing is done, almost done. Some camera gears are charging. So almost packing हो चुकी है. बहुत टाइम लगा पैकिंग में. Taking bag, and this is the one which I'll be taking along with me. These 2 bags. Then for the camera gears, SD card, 3 SD cards, 4 actually, 4th one is for the GoPro, 2 power banks, iPhone. So there's one surprise for you guys. So I'll be getting one device to capture the photos on. I won't reveal it here, but you will see it in my stories. So yes, I have this 50mm and this kit lens, then GoPro ka sab. This is the holoclip mobile lenses, then 3 GoPro batteries, GoPro Hero 7. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. Currently it is 11:30. I will be leaving at 3 from here, so I'm probably gonna edit this video and let's see when I upload it. If you like this short kind of vlog, do subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, तो of course करेंगे ही आप लोग. And see you in probably next month when I upload the next vlog. So till then, peace and bye bye.